What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on how I made over $700 in literally 1 hour at Walmart, doing retail arbitrage. So if you like videos like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and share the video with a friend. Now, the reason why I wanted to make it this type of way, because, if you see my other videos, normally we're in the store, we're scanning, we're recording, the whole 9 yards and whatnot. The reason why I wanted to make it this way today is because, I wanted to really give you guys some massive value, give you some free training, and stuff like that. And obviously that, video footage will be coming out soon here, literally going over the whole 9 yards. But basically, guys, what a lot of people do when they do the retail arbitrage at Walmart is, they walk into Walmart and then from there they go straight to the clearance section, right? They completely ignore everything else in the entire store. Like, everything else is ignored, right? They go straight to the clearance section and whatever's not on clearance, they leave, right? And again, there's nothing wrong with that or whatnot. Literally, soon like my first couple of days, I used to do this too. All right, but me personally, I like to explore. That's how I've got to where I am today. I just explore. I'm always testing something new, always testing something out. I'm always, watching videos on this stuff. I'm checking out courses, the whole 9 yards. So I'm always doing something to improve my knowledge on this stuff here. But the downfall when it goes, when it comes to Walmart in the clearance section is that if it's on clearance section at this Walmart here, there's going to be another one with the same things on clearance, and over here, 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 and over here. So all these Walmarts will have the same exact product or whatnot going on clearance section, and that's when you guys will see 50, 60, 70 people selling the same exact item, and they're driving the prices down and all that stuff, right? So unless you're a whale, that's just like, marketing, and then the crypto space we'll call people whales who just go and just buy shit up. So unless you're a whale and you're going in like legit, just hogging up everything, just buying a crap ton of that product, you're not really going to have any buying power, right? So like out of those 70 FBA sellers, like odds are only, they're probably only going to have like 5, 10 products, right? So 70 really isn't a lot as much as people would think it is, right? So people see 70, oh my God, 40, oh my God, stuff like that. You just completely just like, oh no, I can't even touch the product. And obviously, it'd be better to go to a different product or whatever if you're looking for quick sales and stuff like that. And again, it's just depends on what you're selling. But if you have like 70 people going for the same thing, odds are it's a product that costs less than $10. Just being 100 with you, right? So if you want less competition, spend more money. That's the best thing you can do. I guarantee if you spend, let's say you had a product limit or whatnot, right? Let's say you only spent money on products that cost more than $20. Your competition for FBA and stuff like that would be dramatically drop, right? Like dramatically. You go from bidding with 40, 50 people, in FBA or whatnot to literally like 1 or 2 people. And that's just increasing the budget by a few dollars. Like literally it's like night and day, depending on what it is, of course, or whatever. But yeah, for the most part, the more money you spend, the less competition you have, because a lot of people don't like really do this as a business, right? They're just like, they see people on YouTube, crushing it or whatever, and then they think they can just go out and do the same thing by spending the bare minimum, or going for the cheapest products, or whatever the case may be. And it's not always that sweet, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not always that sweet, So spend more money if you want less competition. It's just that simple. All right. So personally, what I've been doing is I've been checking out like the normal products, right? Like literally no sale, no nothing. So I'll just scan, and obviously a lot, I say like 99% of the stuff is not profitable. But there are items that are profitable that are 100%, like just fine, right? So there's like these tube things or whatever. I don't know what the hell they're called, to be for real with you. Kind of forgot what they were, but they remind me of like propane tanks or whatnot. They're obviously not propane, but they're like propane tanks or whatnot. Like they're like just little thingy or whatnot, and they're and basically they're going on Amazon for like $18.99, right? And on at Walmart, they're only $6.88. So after your fees and stuff, you're walking away with anywhere from like $3 to $4 in profit, which ain't bad, because I put the shipping up real high because they are kind of heavy or whatever when I did it. But yeah, guys, like it's not bad. The only downfall with this is that you got to have like some type of packing or whatever for it. But, not bad. And that's the normal price. So that means you can go and buy this up every single day. And then just keep sending it in over and over and over. And the rank is all right, so I mean, you'll just keep making money, keep making money, keep making money, right? So go for things that are like, I mean, even this right here, this would be $6.88 or whatever, and the FBA people, could be like 3 or 4 people on there, right? And the reason why that is because it's not in the clearance section, and 9 out of 10 people are not going to go and scan just random products, right? They're just not going to do it. A lot of people don't have time and stuff like that. But again, 9 out of 10 people will not do it. They're not going to go, and start and scan down this line right here. They're not going to, go down and then scan down this line right here. And it's probably like however many, aisles in Walmart. A lot of people are not going to do that unless they're going to go right to the clearance section where everybody else is going to go. And that's where they're going to get the same results as everybody else, depending on your budget, of course, or whatever. But yeah, guys, like, it's very simple stuff. Just scan. Like I said, that's the whole thing. If you aren't seeing results in Amazon FBA, it's because you aren't scanning. Like, scanning is everything. Like, if you just had even a small goal of like 500, it's 500 scans every time you went out, like 500 different products. You telling me you wouldn't find one if you scan only 500 times? Like, literally, that's not a lot. Just scan. Like, that's it. That's the worst thing that can happen, is that you find a product that's not profitable. That's it. That's the only negative thing that can happen. Like, what else can really happen? If you ask an employee, to go get a manager, the worst thing they can do is give you a little bit of attitude. Like, that's it. That's the only thing that can happen. Like, there's nothing super major that's gonna happen or whatnot. With this here. So yeah, guys, try to look for normal products and stuff like that. And just ask questions. Like, for me personally, how I got this deal here yesterday was, it was these products. I saw them packing it up on there. And like, they like literally had like a whole like stupid like just long shelf of this stuff, and it was on the back end too, so that could have played a role into this here. So basically, they had these products, all lined up here or whatever, and I was like, I'll clear this whole rollout right here for you, right? I was like, I'll clear this whole rollout right here if you can give me a good deal on it. And they weren't on clearance, they weren't like on sale or anything. I just wanted to see what they would say, Honestly, I was going into that expecting 100% to fail, like, to be for real, because I didn't even think it was possible for them to actually drop a price down off something that was, like a regular type of item price or whatever. So I had ended up only buying like $200 worth or whatever. So because obviously I don't like to go into something super heavy without knowing if it's gonna sell fast or whatever. But I'm assuming it's gonna sell fast. I mean, the rank is extremely low. I mean, like, literally like 1 digit. So I got extremely, I wouldn't say lucky, but I asked questions or whatnot. So we're gonna see how that goes or whatever, and then by, say, about Thursday, we should know if, once everything's all sent in and packaged up and all that stuff or whatever, we should know if this product is gonna be good. If it is, then literally I'm gonna go back and see if I can talk to that same person and just buy their entire fucking inventory, like everything on there or whatever. So it's probably about a good like $1,000 to $2,000 worth. Well, probably about a good like, probably 1,000 worth of product that's on there or whatever, and then I'm just gonna see what happens. And if if they say no, then again, that's just I missed out on the deal or whatever. But odds are they're gonna say yes, and then gonna do the same thing, try to again at another Walmart. And just because they say yes at one Walmart doesn't mean they're gonna say yes at another, right? Just because they say no at one Walmart doesn't mean they're gonna say no at another one. Right? Just ask. Like, I mean, what's the worst they can say? Is like, let's say they got like a whole bunch of boxes or a whole bunch of your product or whatever in the clearance section. You just like, hey, can you get a whatchamacallit person? And let's say they got like 50 of them. Like, hey man, I'll take all of these off your hands right now if you can give them to me for $2 a piece. Oh, well, no, I can't do that, but I can do 3. Okay. Like, I mean, that's literally all that you got to do, guys. Just go in there and ask. What's the worst thing they can say is no. That's the only thing they can say to you is no. All right? So that is pretty much it, guys, on this whole little thing here. So quick recap. If you are tired of having, to go against so many FBA sellers, then simply increase the product that you're buying, right? Either become a whale and buy a bunch of it, or simply don't focus on anything that's cheap. Because I mean, that's the only downfall when you buy cheap items and stuff like that, is that it will take a little while to sell it, because you have like 70 other people on there, and even if they only have a few products a piece, that's still 70 different people that are on there. So even if they only have 5 products a piece, that's what, 350 products that you got to wait for. That could take like 3 weeks to get rid of, depending on a rank and all that stuff or whatever. But yeah, if you want less competition, spend more money. Do things that other people are not doing. All right. So how many people go into the store and actually like just say some nonsense like that? Like, hey, if you give me a good deal, I'll buy this. This is normal price, no sell, no nothing. I said, it's like, you just got to go in there and ask. The worst thing they can say to you is no. No, we can't do that. Okay, thank you. That's it. And then if they're like, okay, let's say they say yes. Okay. Well, can you take this product down as well? If you can give me this product right here, and then give me this product, and then give me this product, I'll just snatch them all up for you. Right? I'll take the rest of them for you. I'll take the rest of them off your hands. Right? Because they want that space, guys. You got to look at it like you're doing them a favor. For the most part. The only time you're normally gonna have some type of issue is if you run into one of them broke-minded ass people. Like if you run into a broke-minded marketers, what do you call it, managers, there's nothing you can really do about that. Especially if they know that you're gonna make money off of it or whatever. Probably, some of them won't even budge, because it's like that crab mentality. People don't want you to see you succeed. Like, bro, it ain't my fault. You chose to go work at Walmart. Like, could give me a good deal. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, it's like, well, I guess I can't really see where they're coming from anymore. But you guys see what I'm saying, though. Like, if they say no, all right, thank you. Have a wonderful day. That's it. Even if they're a dick, which I personally haven't had any problems with. But doing this stuff, you're gonna run into it eventually. I'll run into it eventually. You're gonna find them people that hate their fucking job and stuff like that. And that just want to be an asshole. It is what it is. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. That's it. That's all. That's the only thing you need to say. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. All right. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. If you got any questions, simply drop them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, guys, anybody can do this. You just got to put in the work. You got to put in the effort. All right. That's it. Do training on this, right? There's tons and tons and tons and tons of videos on this stuff on YouTube 100% for free. Right? That's it, So then once you start making some money, then you can take that money and invest in courses and invest in, all this stuff or whatnot. But again, that is pretty much it for real this time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you got any questions, simply drop it down below.